Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you are notified when I upload. Today I have a natural glam makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to start off by using my MAC Studio Waterweight foundation in the shade NC50. And yes, I know on camera this foundation looks super pink, not my skin tone. It is a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, but I'm using this to kind of have like that bronzy look. And then I am just blending all that in, and then I'm gonna go in over top using my Real Techniques complexion sponge and just pick up any excess product to make sure it's very nice and very smooth. Now I'm going in with the Revlon Age Rewind concealer. I've only used this a couple times. It's fairly new to me, and I'm learning that it's so fluid that it gets everywhere. You guys are gonna see I'm gonna look like a ghost. See, I told you it was just so fluid, it got everywhere. I'm still learning how to use this product, but I went in with my sponge and blended it all out. And here I'm taking my black opal foundation stick, and this is in the shade Black Walnut, and I'm going to use this as a contour. You have to be very careful with this. Just like how it mixed with that concealer, it kind of got very muddy, so I'm going to have to go in and warm it up. But I'm also blending that out with my complexion sponge. You guys are going to see it's going to all come together. Right now it's looking kind of cray, but it's going to come together really nicely. This is the new Black Radiance Transparent Powder. Now, I'm not a fan of yellow-based powders, but this one is really nice. It's so finely milled that it really smooths everything out. Now I'm going to go in with their mineral powder. I really like this one as well. It's very smooth. It really helped to kind of warm everything up. And then I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is Milani's Big Bronzer in Golden. This is like my ride or die bronzer, I'm telling you. So I'm just going to go around the perimeters of my face. And then I'm going to take this Bold Brown palette by Black Radiance and pop that into my crease. And here I'm using some highlight. This is Anastasia Bronze from the Sun Dip palette. And the lashes I'm wearing are Lillylashes lashes in Miami. I'm just going to blend that in with my sponge. I like everything to look pressed in and looks like it's a part of my skin and not stuff caked on. This is one of Black Radiance HD lip sculptors, and this is in the shade Queen Bee. It looks a lot lighter on camera, and here we have the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Before you leave, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!